In this video, we'll take a look at how to use the Grunge tool from Snapseed to take a relatively normal-looking digital photograph and to give this artistic sort of grunge enhancement to the photo. First off, we've opened up our image. Then we click on our Grunge tool. This is going to automatically give us our default grunge effects. Now, to start with this tool, there's a shuffle button on the left-hand side of the interface. As you click on your shuffle button, you'll get a random set of settings for your grunge enhancement, completely changing the feel of the image. Now, beyond your shuffle button and up above the shuffle button, you've got 6 different presets that you can start with, as a great consistent kind of starting point for your image editing. Underneath your 6 different settings, you've got your texture adjustments as well, because as you use your grunge effect, you'll notice you've got different textures that are actually being applied to the photo. Well, you can choose which texture is being applied, and you have 5 sort of overall textures to choose from. But what's really great about this tool is that as you click on the different texture buttons, whether it's texture number 5, and we keep clicking, you'll notice as the texture actually changes. It's the same texture style and feel, but where that texture shows up on the image is slightly different. All 5 of them are going to be able to do this for you. Now, once we find the texture and the maybe amount of texture that you might want to apply to the image with the grunge filter, in this case using the texture strength slider, maybe we'll go and dial that down a little bit, you've got other sliders that you can enhance the image with as well: saturation, brightness, and contrast, as well as a style slider. And what this little guy is going to do is it's actually going to control the overall style of the filter. Now, actually not changing the texture. As I slide the style slider left and right, you'll notice the texture actually stays the same. Once we find the nice color overlay and the contrast adjustment that we like, the style and the feel, if we're ready to apply the filter and go back to our home screen, you click your apply button. But let's take a quick look at our before and after by clicking on the compare button in the upper left-hand corner of the interface. Here's the before, our relatively regular looking digital image, and there's the after with our grunge effect applied. And actually, let's go ahead and apply that grunge effect by clicking the apply button. This is going to process the image and bring us back to our home screen within Snapseed.